am international sales manager and I'm responsible for 6 countries: Sweden, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium, Denmark and Finland. And we helped our distributors and our partners to develop the business together in those countries. So to overcome all the challenges of the industry, for example, shortage of labor. A lot of our customers are suffering with this pain, and because they don't find people, less and less people want to, for example, vacuum clean the open areas at hotels or at offices, and therefore we help them with our solution, which is the Nexaro robot NR1500 and the Nexaro hub, together to apply this solution and help them to solve this problem. I think that we are really living the beginning of the era of robotics. Here, for example, at Interclean, we see more and more robots every time. I think that we are really taking part of this new innovation time. However, what I see that in every country and for every customer, for every company, it's really difficult to implement. Even when we think we have the perfect solution, it's not so easy to implement, and that is why we try to listen to them. We try to work very close together so we can also in detail apply and create strategies for them so we can implement this perfect solution, you know. So I think I'm a believer that our Nexaro robot and together with the hub, it is the perfect transition from manual cleaning to robotic cleaning, yeah? And this is going to happen rather sooner than later. It's very good. I love to cooperate with distributors, with partners. We work very close together. We communicate together very frequently. We try to see what are the challenges. We try to develop strategies. We try to go into every detail about their customers, about our robot, and we listen to them as well about the changes that we have to do and about everything that we need to improve and that we also want to improve for the industry. And all together, so we are going to, I believe that we are going to revolutionize the industry of cleaning.
Nexaro. Secure your success.